Welcome back for another Gala Games price prediction analysis video, and in this video I will be giving you areas that Gala Games needs to continue holding above in the next coming hours, give you my pullback target areas, and also share out a chart pattern that we have information here on the charts that can give us a massive breakout in the next coming hours. And at the time of this recording, Gala Games is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. And all this is playing out after we got rejected at our key area of resistance at around the $0.02176 mark, which is also acting as resistance. And there are chances that in case this pullback continues, then we need to find support at around the $0.01846 mark. And as long as that is holding, there are chances that we can get another bounce back to the upside, breaking above the $0.02176 mark with a successful retest. And once that plays out, then we can expect Gala Games to continue gearing up and get above the $0.026 mark in the next coming hours. We also have a chart pattern that has been in formation, which is a double top, and this has formed at our key area of resistance at around the $0.02176 mark, where you can see that we managed to hit that key area of resistance over there. For the first time, we got rejected, seeing a pullback to the area at around the $0.1749 mark before we saw this bounce back to that key area of resistance once more. And you can now see that we are also getting rejected for the second time, and there are chances that in case this pullback continues and maybe at some point we break the neckline for this chart pattern at around the $0.01746 mark, then we can expect a massive breakout to the lower side. And the minimum target areas for the breakout can be given by connecting, that is by getting the height between the tops and the neckline. And I can use a trend line to get that height and then place it below the neckline, giving me a minimum target area for the breakout at around the $0.01348 mark, which is the worst case scenario that we can expect here on the Gala Games chart. But basing my analysis on the Elliot wave structures and also on the Fibonacci's, there is an area that I need you to watch here on the chart. And by first giving you a recap of what happened in the past 2 weeks here on the Gala Games chart, you can see that we got a low at around the $0.01252 mark on the 18th of October before we saw this massive breakout to the upper side, breaking above significant areas of resistances in a move that has now given us a high at around the $0.02236 mark. And we can now term that impulsive move to the upside as the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1. So we can term these as a wave 1. And there are chances that in the next coming hours, we are going to continue seeing further weakness in a pullback move, giving us the low for this second wave before we can get another impulse to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. Then expect a wave 4 and then continue getting even more impulsive in the formation of that wave 5. And the minimum target areas for the second wave can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $0.01867 mark and the $0.01633 mark, the area that I have highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And this is the area within which we can expect Gala Games to pull back into, give us a low within this area, and then once that plays out, we can expect a reversal to play out within the area, continue getting impulsive and break above resistances, and get a high in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term and also on the long term here on the Gala Games chart. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next video.